I am Dr. Alyssa Mencini, and my practice is Restore Denture Implant Center. I have been doing TCI just about a year now. Before starting TCI, where I worked previously, we did not follow any sort of set consultations, and it really helps kind of keep those consultations on track. I know we've all experienced walking into a consultation and feeling like we just went into a black hole of the patient talking to us. So being able to get tips and tricks on how to keep them on track and guide the conversation, lead the conversation, and keep it to, around 10 minutes per segment, it's a game changer. I actually went to Vegas before signing up for TCI and Progressive, and that's what sold me on it. I mean, the energy, everybody there was so positive. Everybody has a passion for what they do at Progressive and in TCI, and you really see that in all of my interactions with the group. I love using TCI. I use it myself. I watch all of the Zoom calls. I do all of the lesson-ly stuff myself. And then of course I have my team doing it as well. So my treatment coordinators, my office managers, we've all learned so much. A year in, I'm still learning things. Every Zoom call I learn, new tips and tricks, and we've got new ways to word things for patients. We all want to be, putting on a united front, talking to the patients the same way, wording things the same way. So when everybody is partaking in the training, we all know exactly what to expect, how to talk to our patients, and it really just helps us be a cohesive unit. I cannot say enough good things about Progressive as a whole. My account manager, Kim, she's on it, everybody's on it, always constantly tweaking, making sure that we are, hitting our goals, exceeding our goals. So yeah, super happy.